Aries, 24th November 2024. Love life, emotional depth defines your love life today, Aries. If you are in a relationship, heartfelt conversations can lead to breakthroughs. Singles may find themselves drawn to someone with an aura of mystery. Take things slow to uncover true intentions. Career, focus and determination are your assets today. You may need to make a crucial decision, so rely on your instincts and past experiences. Avoid distractions and concentrate on your long-term goals to maximize productivity. Well-being, today's slower pace allows you to reflect and recharge. Use this time to evaluate your progress in personal and professional areas. Activities that suit your mind, like reading or meditating, will help you feel balanced. Advice: balance ambition with introspection. Strengthen emotional bonds and trust your instincts to guide you. Lucky color: scarlet red. Lucky number: 9. Taurus, 24th November 2024. Love life, today calls for emotional honesty, Taurus. If you are in a relationship, address any lingering concerns or doubts openly. A heartfelt conversation can bring greater understanding and harmony. Singles may find themselves drawn to someone who appreciates their authenticity and grounded nature. Career, you may find yourself wrapping up the week with a sense of accomplishment. Reflect on your achievements and start planning your next steps. If you've been considering a new opportunity, take time to research and weigh your options carefully. Well-being, you are feeling centered and calm today, making it a good time for relaxation and self-care. Consider spending time with loved ones or engaging in a hobby that brings you joy. Advice: take a moment to celebrate your successes, both big and small. Use the day to reset and prepare for the week ahead. Lucky color: emerald green. Lucky number: 6. Gemini, 24th November 2024. Love life, today calls for emotional vulnerability, Gemini. If you are in a relationship, open up to your partner about your hopes and fears, it will deepen your bond. Singles may find that being authentic attracts someone who truly understands them. Career, take a moment to reflect on your achievements and plan for the future. If you've been considering a career shift or new venture, start outlining your goals and steps to get there. Conversations with mentors or trusted colleagues can offer valuable insights. Well-being, you will benefit from quiet, restorative activities today. Spend time in nature, meditate, or enjoy a hobby that brings you peace. Advice: focus on authenticity and self-reflection. Setting clear intentions will help you move forward with confidence. Lucky color: yellow. Lucky number: 5. Cancer, 24th November 2024. Love life, your intuition is sharp today, Cancer. If you are in a relationship, trust your gut when it comes to any unspoken feelings between you and your partner. Communication will come easily, and any misunderstandings can be cleared up. Singles may feel a strong pull towards someone who understands them deeply. Career, today calls for you to trust your instincts when making decisions at work. If you've been unsure about a particular project or direction, today your inner guidance will steer you in the right direction. Stay grounded and focus on your long-term vision. Well-being, you may feel a bit sensitive today, so take extra care of your emotional health. Engage in calming activities such as journaling or meditation. Take time to relax and let go of any lingering stress. Advice: listen to your intuition. It will guide you in both your personal and professional life today. Trust that you know what's best for you. Lucky color: pearl white. Lucky number: 4. Leo, 24th November 2024. Love life: if you are in a relationship, today is a perfect day for heartfelt conversations. Let your partner know what's been on your mind and be ready to listen as well. If you are single, you may feel a strong pull towards someone from your past. This could be an opportunity to reconnect on a deeper level. Career: you might find yourself reassessing your professional direction today, Leo. If you've been feeling uncertain or unfulfilled, today could offer a chance for clarity. Don't be afraid to have an open conversation with your supervisor or trusted colleague about your career aspirations. Well-being: your emotional well-being is particularly important today. Stay grounded by engaging in activities that nurture your soul. Whether it's through creativity, meditation, or spending time with loved ones, find ways to stay centered and peaceful. Advice: take time for reflection today. If something doesn't feel right, trust your gut to guide you. Allow yourself space to adjust and make decisions that align with your true desires. Lucky color: orange. Lucky number: 1. Virgo, 24th November 2024. Love life: today is a great day for emotional connection in your relationships. If you are in a partnership, you'll find that opening up about your feelings brings you closer. Singles may experience a surge of confidence, leading to exciting new romantic possibilities. Career: at work, Virgo, you may feel the need to take charge of a situation. If there's something that requires your attention or decision-making, don't hesitate to step forward. Your practical nature and strong organizational skills will guide you to success. Well-being: today, you may find that your physical energy is low, so it's important to listen to your body. Take breaks when needed and avoid overdoing it. Focus on eating well and resting, especially if you've had a busy week. Advice: don't be afraid to take the lead today. Whether it's in your personal life or career, stepping forward with confidence will help you achieve your goals. Lucky color: olive green. Lucky number: 7. Libra, 24th November 2024. Love life: Libra, today is a great day for nurturing your love life. If you are in a relationship, you may find that small acts of kindness go a long way in strengthening your bond. For singles, today could bring a meaningful encounter or an opportunity to reconnect with someone from your past. Be open to where these connections may lead. Career: your career is looking positive today, especially when it comes to communication. You may have a chance to showcase your ideas or give a presentation that highlights your talents. This could be an excellent day for networking or building new professional connections. Well-being: your health and well-being are in a good place today. You'll feel balanced and energized, which is a great opportunity to check off items on your to-do list. Just remember to give yourself a break when needed to avoid burnout. Advice: trust your instincts today, Libra. Whether in love or work, following your inner guidance will lead to rewarding results. Lucky color: lavender. Lucky number: 8. Scorpio, 24th November 2024. Love life: in love today, Scorpio, your instincts will guide you towards deeper connections. If you are in a relationship, expect your bond to grow stronger as you and your partner support each other. For singles, there's potential for a new romantic connection that feels fated. Trust your gut when it comes to who you allow into your heart. Career: today is a day for taking calculated risks in your career. If you've been considering making a bold move or pursuing a new opportunity, now may be the time to take action. You have the ability to navigate uncertainties with confidence, so trust that you'll land on your feet. Well-being: your health seems strong today, Scorpio, but make sure you are staying mindful of your emotional state. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, take a step back and engage in a grounding practice, like meditation or spending time in nature. Keep your mind at ease to maintain your physical vitality. Advice: today, Scorpio, trust in your ability to make bold decisions. Whether in love or career, your intuition will lead you in the right direction. Lucky color: deep purple. Lucky number: 3. Sagittarius, 24th November 2024. Love life: Sagittarius, today you may feel more emotionally open and connected with your partner. If you are in a relationship, it's a great day to share your dreams and aspirations with each other. For singles, be open to an unexpected romantic encounter. It may happen in an unconventional way. Keep your heart and mind open. Career: at work, today brings the potential for recognition. You may be acknowledged for your hard work or creativity, and it could open doors for further opportunities. Don't hesitate to speak up about your achievements. Your efforts are being noticed, and you are on the right track. Well-being: today, Sagittarius, you may feel balanced both mentally and physically. This is a great day to focus on your overall well-being. Engage in activities that nourish both your body and mind, whether it's through physical exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Advice: stay confident today, Sagittarius. Your hard work is paying off, and your openness in love will lead to deeper connections. Continue pursuing your dreams while nurturing yourself along the way. Lucky color: indigo. Lucky number: 2. Capricorn, 24th November 2024. Love life: Capricorn, today brings clarity to your love life. If you are in a relationship, you may have a conversation that clears up any misunderstandings. For singles, you may meet someone who shares your ambition and grounded nature. Take things slow to build a connection that's built on trust and shared values. Career: in your career, today could bring a breakthrough moment. Whether it's solving a complex problem or finding a way to streamline your workload, expect progress. Trust your judgment and rely on your experience to guide you through any challenges. Your hard work is about to pay off. Well-being: physically, today you may feel more balanced and at peace. It's a good time to engage in activities that promote relaxation and mindfulness. Mentally, you may experience a surge of clarity that helps you make important decisions. Advice: keep moving forward today with confidence. Your efforts are paying off, and your commitment will lead you to success. Trust the process and take pride in your accomplishments. Lucky color: charcoal grey. Lucky number: 10. Aquarius, 24th November 2024. Love life: Aquarius, today you may find yourself having a deep, meaningful conversation with your partner. This could help you both better understand each other's emotional needs. If you are single, you might connect with someone on a profound level, but be sure to let things develop naturally. Career today brings a sense of clarity and focus to your professional life. You may find that tasks that were previously confusing now make sense. Trust your ability to solve complex problems, as your unique approach will lead to success. Well-being, your physical and emotional well-being are aligned today, Aquarius. You may feel more grounded than usual, and this will help you make decisions that benefit your health and happiness. A balanced routine, with equal time for work and rest, will keep you on track. Advice: stay focused and trust your intuition today. Success is within reach, and your efforts are beginning to pay off. Take time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Lucky color: electric blue. Lucky number: 11. Pisces, 24th November 2024. Love life: Pisces, today you may feel more relaxed and at peace in your love life. If you are in a relationship, you'll find it easier to connect without the pressure of needing to solve problems or address difficult issues. For singles, today brings the potential for a new romantic interest that feels natural and unforced. Career: in your career, today is a great day for collaboration. You'll find that working with others brings out the best in you. Your intuitive insights could help solve a problem that's been hanging around for a while. Don't be afraid to share your ideas with the group. Well-being: physically, you may feel lighter and more energized today. Use this to engage in a physical activity that makes you feel good, like dancing or a walk. Mentally, today is great for clearing your head and finding moments of peace, so try to avoid overloading yourself with too many tasks. Advice: trust in the natural flow of the day. Relax, collaborate, and take care of your physical and mental health. Today brings the promise of peaceful progress. Lucky color: aqua. Lucky number: 12.